Hi guys, this is the first video of my AIRFIX skyraider model kit build project. This project is part of a group build. Here you can see the poster of the present theme. So back to the kit. This is an old tool AIRFIX kit, which means it has less details, less part number like the newer kits. Could it be that it is less fun to build? And the answer is absolutely not. If you not saw the box opening video, you can watch it here. I'm planning to make 3 shorter episodes of this build. Because the kit is not finished yet, the episodes follows the build progress. Will be this a nice looking kit? I hope so. Let's roll the first time lapse. The original wings are made to be foldable, but I don't like those weak and ugly folding mechanism, so I glue it in to open position. If you are gluing wings like this, don't forget to match the surfaces and not the edges like on the video, because if you do so, you have less thing to restore after the sanding. And now it's time to the second time lapse. liked my work, you know what to do.